Welcome to our instructional video on how to solve inequalities. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of solving the inequality negative 8h plus 6 is greater than or equal to negative 2. By the end of this video, you will not only know the answer to the inequality, but also be able to represent the solution using both inequality notation and interval notation. Let's get started. To solve the inequality minus 8h plus 6 greater than or equal to minus 2, we need to start by isolating the variable h on one side of the inequality. First, we want to remove the constant term on the left side of the inequality. In this case, the constant term is 6. We do this by subtracting 6 from both sides of the inequality. Subtracting the same number from both sides of the inequality keeps the inequality balanced and doesn't change the relationship between the two sides. Starting with minus h plus 6 greater than or equal to minus 2, we subtract 6 from both sides, and we get minus 8h plus 6 minus 6 greater than or equal to minus 2 minus 6. Simplifying, the 6 and minus 6 on the left side cancel each other out, leaving us with minus 8h greater than or equal to minus 8. The inequality has now been transformed into a simpler form where we no longer have the constant term on the left side. This makes it easier to isolate the variable h in the next step. Now that we have the inequality minus 8h greater than or equal to minus 8, our next goal is to isolate the variable h. To do this, we need to divide both sides of the inequality by minus 8. When we divide or multiply both sides of an inequality by a negative number, we must reverse the direction of the inequality. This is very important to remember. Dividing both sides by minus 8, we have h less than or equal to 1. This shows that h must be less than or equal to 1 to satisfy the inequality. Now let's express this solution in two forms, inequality notation and interval notation. In inequality notation, the solution is h less than or equal to 1. In interval notation, we write the solution as negative infinity to 1, including 1. Here, negative infinity indicates that h can be any number less than 1, and we include 1 in the solution because h is less than or equal to 1. Therefore, negative infinity to 1, including 1, is the final solution in interval notation. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.